Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the reversing valve coil in your ice machine, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply to the appliance. Using a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver, unthread the 2 mounting screws, securing the lower outer access panel. With the screws unthreaded, set the outer panel and inserts aside. Next, unthread the screws to release the inner access panel from the frame. Use a short Phillips head screwdriver or a 7mm wrench to unthread the mounting screw, securing the coil to the reversing valve. Lift the old coil off of the valve and disconnect the wire connector. Install the new reversing valve coil by first connecting the wire connector. Slide the coil onto the valve and thread the screw. Reposition the inner access panel and thread the screws to secure it to the frame. Before you reinstall the outer panel, make sure the inserts are positioned. Then align the panel and rethread the mounting screws. Plug the power cord back in, or restore the power supply, and your ice machine should be ready for use.